The story of Noah building the ark showcases unwavering faith and relentless diligence amidst widespread mockery. God instructed Noah to construct a colossal ark to save his family and a pair of every kind of animal from an impending flood. This monumental task required extraordinary effort, demanding years of hard labor. Noah and his sons worked tirelessly, felling trees and shaping heavy timbers from cypress wood, constructing a wooden ship that was an astonishing 300 cubits long, 50 cubits wide, and 30 cubits high, sealed with pitch for waterproofing. Some accounts suggest this project spanned decades, potentially up to a century, revealing the immense dedication required to see such a colossal structure come to life. The environment presented its own set of challenges. Noah was building the ark in a region that had never experienced rain. The earth, normally watered by a gentle mist, rendered the construction site a scene of absurdity to the onlookers. Each day, Noah and his family endured physical hardships, battling injuries and exhaustion while gathering animals and maintaining their family life. As the structure took shape, the ridicule from the community intensified. Neighbors labeled Noah a madman, calling him a raving lunatic for creating a massive boat in the middle of a dry land. Taunts and scoffs echoed around him, mocking not just his work but his family, as they joined him in this seemingly futile endeavor. Many chose to ignore his warnings, living their lives without a second thought, dismissing his mission as foolishness. Noah was unequivocally treated as a social outcast, dedicated to a divine task that made no sense to his contemporaries. Yet, despite the relentless criticism, Noah remained unfazed. He did not engage with every skeptic or feel the need to justify his actions. Instead, he focused solely on his work, trusting in God's plan and believing that the outcome would prove him right. His faithful obedience stood firm against the tide of disbelief that surrounded him. As he preached righteousness through his actions, the people continued to scoff. However, when the rain finally fell, the laughter ceased, leaving those who mocked outside in their ignorance. While Noah and his family found refuge within the very ark that became their salvation,